Hello, class, and welcome to Chapter or Unit 8 Social Media Content Marketing, Influence, and Amplification. So, the agenda for our lecture today is we're going to go over content marketing and community outreach strategies. We're going to look at communities, consumers trust each other, user generated content, content types, customer relationship management, supporting the community, maximizing social, online PR, and earned media, social media, community and reputation management, content marketing, attracting and retaining customers, no, sorry about that. 3 methods for generating content, sharing your content for maximum visibility, seeding and sponsoring content on social media. Does social drive sales? And then the social mention dashboard. Content marketing. It is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable and relevant content to attract and retain a targeted audience. The content strategies are key to successful inbound marketing and customer relationship management programs. Unlike advertising, content marketing allows marketers to leverage influential voices and UGC, which is user-generated content, to amplify messages and drive positive branding. Why would you use social media and content marketing? Consumers trust one another far more than they trust advertisers. Think about that, students or class. Um, would you trust a person that's advertising, a professional marketer from, let's say, Nike, or would you trust one of your friends that is a avid runner and wears Nike? This is just a graph of trust in advertising. You notice that recommendations from people I know is on the high level. Even till now, if you look at the social media content and advertisements, usually when you receive these content, it's because you have looked at them, right? And then when you look at them, maybe you're like, oh, this bag is pretty interesting. I think I'm gonna look up what others think about it. Maybe somebody else has that bag in your family and you're like, how did that work for you? That would most likely weigh more than if the maker of the bag said, hey, look at this bag, you should go out and purchase this. Of course, they're not going to say that in that boring of a tone, but maybe they're advertising it on social media. You would listen more to the suggestions or reviews from people you know than those who may be strangers to you. UGC is trusted and acted upon. UGC is content created by regular people, the users of the social networks, not professionals. UGC can be anything: text updates, reviews, pictures, and videos. UGC is often brand or commerce related, but is more trusted than professional. UGC can be leveraged by marketers across social media by following, finding, and aligning brand messages with third-party content, helping brands communicate a more trusted and effective message. So your first extra credit question, I want you to look for an ad that you may have been seeing frequently on your social media platforms. It doesn't matter. You don't have to tell me which platform you were looking at. And then let me know if there was an influencer that promoted your interest in this ad, or maybe there were words or reviews or videos on this ad that made you say, oh, I might purchase this item, or I'm interested in this item. So your first extra credit question is, you look up an ad while you're scrolling through your social media or while you're on your social media that you're interested in, and then tell me what UGC on that ad promoted your interest or your idea that maybe you might buy that product or service. What is user-generated content? It's any material created and uploaded to the internet by non-media professionals. It can include comments on a blog, customer review on Amazon, video uploaded to YouTube, pinboard on Pinterest, a simple user profile, a like, or a comment on Facebook. Has fundamentally altered how audiences interact on the internet and how advertisers aim to reach them. UGC spans a wide range of types. Consumers can create content by simply clicking a thumbs up to like something or endorse it. Reviews or comments on a product or service directly in a post. Sharing an emoji or sticker in text messages or posts that mention a product. Images and video with embedded captions and comments about products. User-generated unboxing of new products, or how-tos featuring consumers talking about products. How big is this impact? Rupert Murdoch says technology is shifting the power away from the editors, the publishers, the establishment, and the media elite. Now it's the people who are in control. Second extra credit question. How much of this statement do you believe right now? Amplifying UGC. Encouraging consumer discussion and commentary in the community, reviews and support, showcasing successful case studies, creates volume and trusted content for consumers to view and engage. Tactics include promoting posts or images on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter now known as X, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. UGC media comes of age. In the old world, limited to brands and media, high relative cost, all or nothing, media and brands were the authority. Now, today, everyone can be a producer. It's peer-to-peer, and it's free. Pick and mix, and then consumer is the authority. Social networks and user-generated content. Flip sides of the same coin. Social networks, participation through community and vice versa. Add value by being part of it, the network effect. Consumers care about community opinion and activity. Consumers desire some control and ability to filter. On the other hand, user-generated content across all areas of content and value. Membership and participation, text, photos and images, video and animations, podcasts and music, knowledge and data, open source software, and IP creation. Wayfair customer UGC campaign. Using the hashtag Wayfair at home, users post their home setups featuring Wayfair products. Wayfair reposts their UGC and provides a link so users can shop for the items featured in a real customer's home. Second extra credit question. Can you think of a business or product that has been advertised on social media utilizing this similar process? Asking users to either post an image or a video of that product or service. Again, the second extra credit question. What other businesses, name a business that utilizes this same process of asking their consumers to either post a photo or video of the product. Customer relationships supporting the community. Customers post, tweet, and review their way into the internet's dialogue about your brand. But what if the comments are wrong? Or worse, bad? Good community management involves having a proactive social media plan, acknowledge the customer's problem or perception, and be part of the community and the solution. It's not enough just to look at a review, a bad review, and then go back to your leadership and say, you know what, there was a bad review on our review section on this product, and we need to um, improve on it. You need to be interactive with that individual or persons that posted that either bad or wrong review. You need to ask, hello, so and so. We appreciate your comment or your post about X product. Is there any way that we can assist you, or some type of language that shows that you are taking an active role in either correcting the wrong or improving and maybe adding value to the product if it was really bad. When things go wrong. The classic example of something going wrong: in 2005, prominent New York tech blogger Jeff Jarvis bought a Dell with extended warranty and home service. Dell sold him a product and service that didn't honor. Customer service was a nightmare. He blogged about his frustrations through an open letter to Dell's chairman. Now, this is what happened when the customer relationship management supported the community. After Jeff Jarvis decided to write a blog about a negative review for Dell, they chose to go on to Business Week and show just what Dell has done to improve the negative review. And then you can see some of the other examples of moderation. So when you're thinking, we'll go back to this slide. Your third extra credit question, think of a company that maybe received a negative review, and how did they approach that review? Did you see any interaction? Was there zero interaction at all? And if you were one of the company leadership, or maybe the person responsible for PR for that company, what would you have done? Social networks and UGC challenges. Copyright, plenty of infringing going on, but hundreds of millions of views on YouTube and beyond. It's a major source of viewership and revenue. Uncertain for a while, but several different advertising and subscription models are starting to be experimented with. Differentiation. What's the difference between the various sites? To what extent does that determine user loyalty? How many networks can one person belong to? Search. Will tagging be enough to help wade through the rising piles of garbage? Inappropriate material. Wide open field for everything under the sun. Community-based monitoring might become possible, but not until clear standards are defined by the communities and media owners. Social as online public relations. Social media and earned media. Online PR is one key channel for delivering your content and brand message to consumers. PR channel is frequently coordinated with two other channels: owned media and paid media. Owned media refers to your website, over which you have complete control of content and messaging. Paid media refers to advertising channels which you can purchase in order to communicate your brand to audiences across the web. Earned online media relies heavily on word of mouth, viral, and buzz marketing. These are the online media types. I'm going to leave this up just for like 10 more seconds so that you can look at it, either screenshot it. There may be a quiz question or an extra credit question that you want to use this for. So if you want to go ahead and screenshot, save. Top 5 reasons why online PR is important. Number 1 is cost effective. With traditional PR budgets under pressure, younger professionals are more adept at navigating the online PR landscape. Measurement. Cost comparison to equivalent PPC and CPM ad campaigns, unique user reach, page impression rate, site dwell time, campaign keyword visibility, and inbound link growth. SEO, search engine optimization. Online PR drives keyword visibility, inbound link growth, and audience targeting, which helps optimize the site's search engine visibility. Brand reputation management. Managing your brand message across a diverse and fragmented media landscape key to building online credibility. Social media placement. Consumers increasingly turn to social platforms like Twitter, now X, Facebook, LinkedIn, and beyond. I'm going to also leave this slide up so you can either screenshot or save, or maybe you just want to go through this lecture again. So that's fine, but I'll just leave it up for another 10 seconds. Online PR strategy options, and then it shows you the different ways that you can use reputation. Moving on. Content strategy, agile marketing from Oreo. Oreo launches real-time campaigns in response to national events, producing great opportunist campaigns. So if you look at this, they have Pride Month, different color Oreo. Congratulations, Shin Shin, Amanda, Elvis Week, and then Mars Rover. Inbound marketing. So strangers come in and attract visitors, convert them to leads, close as customers, and then delight their consumers. Influence and amplification. What makes an influencer? Make connected, contactable, and your next extra credit question. Do influencers provide the drive or the or that you want to keep it up? So do influencers that you watch promote the drive inside you to act, purchase, or think about purchase? Not one social influencer. If you follow a person, notice that when companies decide to put a product on social media or target you for their product, they will utilize the influencers that are maybe people that you watched or that you follow to appear in ads for that product that they're trying to target. You can rely on for 10 seconds. This is just showing you different strategies that marketing uses. What are the elements of the this periodic table of content marketing? Here, if you look right here is a 7-step guide to focus on this link as well. Three methods of verification: aggregated or repurposed or relevant information available online. We have curation, selecting content with an editorial or selective view. Then adding value by explaining or adding context by through commentary or examples relevant to your offering. Creation is the most typical strategy but ensures that the content is unique and adds a higher level of value by being new, relevant, and fresh. It's also the most likely type of social content to use. Marketers or find their value in their networks. Smart contract. So Strawberry has passed on the smart card, totaled it, found works for cutting edge and savvy organizing. The social media program is not only a good example, it showcases the most mainstream and stodgy organizations, a government, military account, and the Air Force. Mistaken. Where can we get site, Facebook holiday post, Twitter / bot using spaces in content sites like outreach programs and infographics, white papers, and data. Excellent B2B viral content. Lead generation is often as simple as asking people to register. Plenty of sites exist to help you content. Great of events and titles. Services make content easier to find. Services allow services to shop in their original format rather than modifying for online viewing. Most services posting Microsoft apps such as PowerPoint, as well as Adobe's PDF. Documents posted on leading services allow a host of social media features such as commenting, rating, bookmarking. Docs can also have sets of permissions such as whether documents can be downloaded or only viewed on the web. Most services news aggregation sites allow you to relevant stories from sites like Dig, Reddit, and Drive set up placement information logs. So this is just an example. Example how fun days with this 2.5 in the UK social media. Why conversion conversation? Range of performance, followers, benchmark, modern, social media monitoring tools. Social media. So this most likely we don't use this as much now, but this is a free tool used to illustrate points about sentiment analysis, keywords, media types of very example advertising user interest. We have seen this. This is from 2015, but we know that this has expanded and has grown into much more than just recipes, fashion, design, how to videos or pictures. For Instagram, for Facebook, but as brand as good. Example, Snapchat versus other messaging apps. Also, today we're not just looking at Snapchat, Facebook, IG, or Twitter/X. There is various other social media platforms that maybe I would not be aware of, but all of you may. Just an example of Snapchat. And then this is just showing the advertising costs for Snapchat. So that's the end of our lecture tonight. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can email me or contact me. And all of you have a great